Hello everyone.
Hello.
A pleasant good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
So first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Avinash who has invited me here. So thank you so much Mr. Avinash to inviting me here, and you as well guys for listening me carefully. So once again you can see a little confident girl of English Cafe who is none other than Miss Neha. So today I am with a new topic which is none other than SWOT analysis. So I think you all know about the SWOT analysis. In spite of that, I want to tell you the meaning of SWOT analysis. So in SWOT, S stands for a strength, W refers for weakness, and O signifies to opportunity, and lastly T stands for threat here. So everyone has their weaknesses and a strength as well. So such that I have also some strengths and weaknesses. Firstly, I would like to highlight my strengths. So there are a lot of strengths of mine in my life. Some of them I am going to highlighting here. So first strength of mine is that I am good at biology. So as you all know that for become a doctor in their life, biology should be good. But there is a fact also here that physics and chemistry should also be good along with the biology. But I think that I am not so much good at physics as I desire. So I rejected that sector, and that fact is that I don't want to become a doctor in my life. Secondly, a strength is that I am good at economics as well. That I can make anyone understand very easily economics, and I have a lot of interest in economics except mathematical term in that. And if I want, then I can become a teacher of economics in my life, but I don't even want to become a teacher in my life. But economics will help me to make career in any management sector, and I want to make my career in any management sector, so economics will help me a lot in my life. And I have another strength, that is I am a little bit good at acting. And there was a time when I want to become an actress in my life, but my family background didn't accept that thing, so I stopped dreaming that. And I have a lot of weaknesses as well. So some of them I want to highlight here, that I have a biggest weakness is that I can't study for a long time. Such that some students are able to study 3 to 4 hours continuously very easily, but I can't do that thing, because so I want to remove that thing, because it can becomes an obstacle to achieving my goal. But I have to achieve my goal anyhow, so I just want to remove that thing. And I have another weakness is that I am not so much good as English speaking as I want in my life. So I want to remove my hesitation, and I want to improve my communication skill, and sometimes it's make me less confident, as well as it makes me feel very embarrassed. So I just want to improve my communication skills. That's all my strengths and weaknesses. Thank you.